Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, fine.
I am also pretty good by the address of my channel. At first, I introduce myself. My name is Mahfuz Ahmad. You call me Mahfuz. It's my nickname. I did in class 7 in Port Jubilee High School, and it is situated in Shunamustang. I am also registered of Air English Academy. Now I want to talk about my today's topic. My today's topic is my family. My family is very important to me. They are my family member, my father, my mother, my big sister, and my small brother. My father name is Suraj Jaman Mukul. He is a businessman. He is a honest and kind person. And my mother name is Rahim Akhtar. She is a housewife. My big sister name is Mahbub Jaman Omi. She reads in class 9. Her school name is Sunamur Girl High School. My small brother name is Al Mahmood Mahdi. He reads in class 1. His school name is Raj Govinda Primary